It's a great day here in San Diego. Thank you so much for tuning in to List It Live, where we give you a guided tour of the hottest homes for sale in San Diego. I have Danny Davis joining us, who is a veteran and everybody knows, so welcome.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you having me.
It's been a minute. You've been so busy, so I'm super excited to have you back.
Well, for a property like this, I'm glad to be back.
And I'm super excited to showcase this beauty, so let's talk about it.
Fantastic. So this is actually in the old coach community of Poway, which is one of the most sought after gated communities in Poway.
Yes, I know it well.
Look how beautiful this home is.
Curb appeal is exceptional.
Exceptional. And not only that, but it's like your own estate because you're on 1.5 acres of land and you've got, this is the main house, and then there's a detached guest house as well.
Great.
A full 1-bedroom, 1-bath guest house with a full kitchen and laundry.
Really?
Yeah.
That's wonderful to have on the property.
It is. This is the back of the house with a beautiful pool and waterfall and hot tub, and you can see off to the left there the guest house in the back. So it's set far enough to have privacy, but close enough if you have in-laws living there or guests that you don't want right on top of you.
Right. That's a dreamy backyard right there.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
That's why we live in San Diego. I would be out there all the time.
That's exactly it, yeah.
Oh,
Again,
look at that.
Huge lot here, 1.5 acres of land, very private. Just had the property, the entire property was renovated in 2018 and it's gorgeous. But we just had some sprucing up, like the exterior and interior painted of the main house and then the exterior painted of the guest house.
Great.
And it's just a wonderful, wonderful property.
It is. It's just gorgeous.
Look how beautiful that is, the gleaming hardwood floors and the beautifully remodeled kitchen.
I love all the recessed lighting, so light and bright.
It really is light and bright. I mean, walls of windows. You've got, in the main house, you've got 4 bedrooms plus an office and a loft area. So it could be a total of 6 bedrooms in the main house if you wanted it to be.
Okay.
But look at these high ceilings and again, wall of windows, doors leading out to the patio in the back, leading out to the barbecue area and the pool. It's perfect for a family. It's perfect for entertaining. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous home.
It really is. I love how nice and bright and big that room is.
Really, it really is. And so that was your formal living and dining area, and then this is more of a family room that sits right off the kitchen. And again, just immaculate, really well kept home.
It is. So I want to talk about the bedrooms again. So you said the 4 bedrooms plus a loft plus an office.
Right. Correct.
And then you have an additional bath or bedroom in the guest house.
Correct.
So 7 bedrooms total.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
That's
it could be up
huge.
to 7 bedrooms. Yeah, huge.
Up to 7 bedrooms,
It's
right.
about 5,000 square foot altogether. A lot of people ask, is there a bedroom downstairs? And the answer is yes. There's a bedroom downstairs and an office downstairs.
Okay.
So the potential of having 2 bedrooms downstairs is fantastic.
Additional guests, or if you have a teenage child that likes to be away from.
Right. Just don't let them in that guest house because they'll be asking to live in the
stay
guest
forever,
house.
right?
Yeah.
They'll be there forever.
Yeah. And then this is the master bedroom, which is it's massive and it's gorgeous. Just again, a ton of windows, a sitting area with a fireplace, a balcony that overlooks the pool, and a gorgeous mountain views.
Yes, a ton of room in there.
Ton of room, and then there's your master bathroom with a shower that's as big as most people's rooms,
right?
And also a huge walk-in closet. It's like almost like your master spa, rather than a master bathroom.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah.
Great size secondary bedroom.
Yeah, and that bedroom is actually downstairs too. So each bedroom has an ensuite bath as well. So everybody has their own bathrooms.
And that flooring carries throughout.
Carries throughout. The only place that it's not is in the kitchen where it's tile.
Right. Which is what you want in the kitchen anyway.
That's the loft area. So perfect for like homework station, crafts, another TV room. If you have kids and you don't want all their toys downstairs in the formal living area, put them upstairs in the loft.
Yeah. It's a perfect place for kids to hang out.
Really is.
Right outside their bedrooms. They've got their own little retreat up there.
That's right. That's right.
Not little, it's big actually.
Right. Yeah, and then this is the office that overlooks the pool. They have all these built-ins, but you could put a closet back in there and it could be an additional bedroom. Perfect for people that want to work at home.
Right, which is what a lot of people are doing these days.
Right. This is the detached guest house.
What? This is massive.
I know. I think it's around 1,000 square feet. It's got a fireplace, and then you see a dining area, but a full functioning kitchen with a stove and refrigerator. Washer
And look at the
dryer.
ceiling detail.
Yeah.
I mean, this is custom too, this casita.
It could live on its own as a residence, because you've got a covered patio outside with a barbecue area just for the guest house.
That is nice.
Yes.
That's luxury right there.
Exactly. This is the bedroom of the guest house. So plenty of room.
It's huge.
Plenty of room.
I'm super impressed with this guest house.
Yeah.
The whole house, but this guest house is crazy.
Yeah. And knowing that it's far enough, like I said, you're on about 1.5 acres, and it's in the back where the main house is in the front. So you're separate, but you're together as well.
Right. You have the privacy
That's
that
right.
you need.
That's
That's
right.
fantastic. Well, thank you so much for showcasing it with us today. I know I say this a lot, it's not going to last long, but
Right.
in this community and in this market,
Right.
it will not. So
I agree.
are you holding it open anytime soon?
We actually are going to be having an open house from 12 to 4 on this Sunday.
Okay. I know that's going to generate a ton of interest. So
Yeah.
I think that will be about it for you guys
We'll-
before it's taken off the market.
We'll get a lot of people through.
You sure will. Well, thank you so much, Danny. This was a gorgeous property to showcase. And I'm honored. I live just down the street a little ways from there.
Heritage,
So
right?
yes,
Yeah.
so I know this area and I love it so much. So thank you so much. So Danny's got
Perfect
this.
chance for you to choose your neighbor.
That's right. Exactly. That's right.
Always be close.
100%. 100%. Danny has his property located at 13630 Ash Hollow Crossing in Poway. It's in the Old Coach Collection gated community, which is fantastic. And what's great about that community is it's not super big either.
Right.
It's got an intimate, exclusive feel in
Right.
that community.
All of them have very large lots, so it's you have your own estates basically.
Right, very private, away from everybody else. And like he was talking about lots, it's on 1.5 acres, which is fantastic. It's a total, including the guest house, 7-bed, 6-bath home at 4,992 square feet of living. This is phenomenal. It's turnkey, ready to go. There's nothing you need to do. It was
100%.
renovated in 2018, but fresh painted interior and exterior. It's got a full 1-bed, 1-bath guest house with its own little private sitting area and barbecue. It's got a washer and dryer in there, a dreamy backyard with that
Yes.
pool and spa. This will not last long, but if you'd like some more information, please contact Danny with the information provided on the screen.